Hi guys, so it's actually midnight na. It's midnight, 11:27 p.m. and I recently got sick. Nalalagnat ako and meron naman akong ibang ayun na sa videos ko, like they don't comment, they don't like, pero okay lang naman yun eh. It's important naman kung viewers or wala. Kasi subscribers is very important to me. I recently got a few fever ante. And I think sabi ng mga pinsan ko, I should stop creating videos. Kasi I got a Robux. Meron ako Robux. Since Robux yung channel ko, anyways, unti lang yung mga post ko by Robux. Masyado maraming put and edits. And gusto ko sana mag-live giveaway. Kaso nga lang, I'm sick pa. And I think sabi doon, nilawag ko na lang daw share. Kasi I'm sick na daw. Tsaka mawawaste lang naman daw yung Robux ko. Tsaka yung pera ni mami and daddy. Kasi i-giveaway ko lang. Wala naman ako subscribers. Unti lang likes ko. Mostly viewers. Pero kasi gusto ko kasi karoon lang maraming subscribers. Kasi gusto ko lang. I think I wanna end the video. Ayoko na mag-post videos. I don't wanna post videos anymore. Kasi I'm feeling tired na kaka-edit. Sometimes ginagamit ko yung tablets. And minsan pag nung nag-green screen ako, meron ako mga haters, comments, meron mga respect. Pero my only goal naman is 100 subscribers, 63 pa rin. I'm still patient, pero kasi parang I'm tired na, ayoko na. I'm trying my best to make my channel nice. Gusto ko kasi I want people to be happy and create my own channel to make someone know that I can also be someone that who can create nice videos. Pero kasi minsan napapabasa na. Actually, I have 65 and 63 na lang yun. Dati meron ako 17 and 20. I think nang nag-20, naging na lang siya, 11. Yeah. And nung nag-17 subscribers naman ako, nag-70 subscribers ako, I was very happy. Pero kinabukasan, 10 na lang siya. Sana, sa first subscriber ko, I was very happy. I thank you kasi you support me. I don't know you or di man kita kalala. But thank you for your support. I really appreciate it. At unti na lang, abot ko ng 100. Pero bumaba pa rin. It's like, masakit rin kasi kapag you're trying your best to make others happy, to see if others like your videos, but hindi kasi no one like Meron ako pretty viewers sa isang video and got all and 10k viewers, 10 plus k viewers, and I gave people Robux pero hindi ko siya nabivideohan kasi may iba na KFK sila. Meron naman mali yung pagka-pronounce ko. Meron naman nung mag-giveaway sana ako ng Robux live stream sa please donate. Merong error nangyari. Kailangan ko daw parang nawalan kami ng internet that time, and actually di ko na malayan and na-disconnect, sabi ko sa vlog ko nun, sorry, and then nag-connect na agad yung di ko alam na wala pala yung so nag-donate ako ng Robux. So thank you pa rin for the support and 63 subscribers. Do you know, gano'n ako ka-happy for 12 subscribers. Pero, when I hit 63, I become emotional. Pero sana, you all respect my channel. And kung pwede ko na i-end ko na lang rin. And, pa-block ko na lang if others really want